the very fact that you care about your quality of work and about the mission that you have, primarily, first and foremost, before you care about money, that is the very reason that I want you to be the one to thrive. That is the reason that you are who I gear all of my education towards, because I see people like us, creative people, mission-driven people, often have a very toxic attitude towards money and a scarcity mindset that actually hobbles the work that I wish you were able to do more of and more powerfully and with a broader reach and a wider audience, right? And handling the business technicalities and getting comfortable with the money side of what you are doing enables your vision to flourish and grow and get deeper and broader and impact more people in the world. In other words, I think it actually helps your mission go further